Hi friends, I'm Preeti Agrawal. Welcome to my channel. In this video, going to discuss Unit ICT, means Information and Communication Technology, which plays an important role in our life. ICT is a combination of two technologies, that is, information technology and communication technology, in which the data is collecting processed, manipulated, stored, and protected. And that data is shared with the help of computer and network. In ICT, most of the components are having the relationship with the components of the computer and the digital technology. So first of all, we are going to discuss about computer. What is a computer? Computer is a programming machine in which we put some input and that input is processed. After the processing, we are getting some output. So there are many ways to put the input and many ways to get the output. Input and the unit in which the process is done, that is known as central processing unit, and after the process we are getting output. So this is the way the computer works. So these are the ways with which we can put the input, and these are the ways with which we can get the output. But the question before us is in which form we are putting the input and in which form we are getting the output. Input and the output both are putting and getting by the way of data. Now, what the computer does, computer store this data in memory. So that is why memory is also an important part of the computer. There are two types of memories, that is the primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory, that is RAM and ROM. RAM is your read and write memory. This is a volatile memory, whereas ROM is read only memory, जिसमें सिर्फ हम read ही कर सकते हैं, and that is your नॉन वॉलेटाइल मेमोरी. अब मेमोरी को स्टोर कैसे किया जाता है? सो ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड I have written units of memory. So this is also an important part for the examination point of view. They can ask you one nibble is equal to how many units and one byte is equal to how many bits and 1 kilobyte is equal to how many bits. So this you will have to learn for examination. Now, कंप्यूटर में हमने इनपुट डाला. We have to give instructions to the computer. So that instructions, how we can give? So for that, there are few programs. That programs are known as software. There are many softwares like as Microsoft Windows, Linux, sniping tool, application software with which we can give the instructions to the computer to work on the input and to get the desired output. Now, whenever we are to give the instructions to the computer, of course, we will have to communicate with the computer. But abhi computer एक programming machine है, so how can we communicate with it? Of course, we are having the different languages to communicate with computers. So that languages are known as programming languages. इन languages को हमने two parts में divide किया हुआ है. One is your low level languages, another one is your high level languages. This is also an important part for the examination point of view. Then the data which is stored in the computer, if we want to do some calculations and we want to get the desired result, so there is a numeral system, and these numerals are in the decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal form. For in exams, they can ask you how to convert the binary into decimal, octal into binary, decimal into binary. So for this, keep watching the video. In the next video, going to explain this conversion of the numeral system. If you like the video, like it, subscribe it. Till next, all the best. But I hope you might have started the preparation for the exam. See you in the next session.